Hello, and welcome to today's Speaker Card reading. Today's topic is what makes you so impressive. For that, we have three piles: pile number one, pile number two, and pile number three. And guys, before we start, if you like my content, please hit the like button, share, and subscribe. Your subscription would mean, your support would mean the world to me. So now let's get started. Hello, pile one. Let's see what makes you so impressive. Clearly, you are the magician. I'm seeing you are somebody who is fantastic at manifestation. Remember, the magician is the card is the person who has got all the four elements of nature at their disposal. You have the earth, air, fire, and water at your disposal, and you have managed to manifest your current life into being, into reality. Your current reality into being with the help of your manifestation capabilities. It is you are a fantastic manifester, and people are impressed by it. You guys are very strong instincts, your intuitions and instincts are very strong, extremely strong, and people are a lot of you are blessed in this arena of spirituality. You guys are blessed, you guys are naturals, spiritual teacher, a natural healer. These things come naturally. You guys are emotionally and creatively, I'm saying, see, a lot of overflow is happening, a lot of creative overflow. Naturally, you could be into things like crystal healing, reiki, tarot, astro. Those could be your natural forte. Apart from that, I'm seeing a lot of natural creative juices flowing, like a good writer, a good painter, like anything very creative, and you guys have manifested that. Like, you're naturally blessed in those departments. You guys are, the sun card typically is telling me you guys are extremely, like, you know what, you're seen as a very successful person, somebody also having a very affable persona, very approachable, affable, nice to talk to. People like your personality, the kind of ambience, like you change the ambience of the room the moment you enter with your own high vibes. You are a very high vibrational person. That makes it like people are impressed. You are, like, a lot of you are pretty accomplished, especially in the spiritual and artistic realms, but yet you are extremely approachable and affable. You are like that ray of light for a lot of people in this sea of darkness. You are like that, that ray of light, that person who is extremely bright in persona and who is known for their, like, they are known to do like really great stuff with their own life, but yet they are very humble and approachable. That is very impressive. People are impressed by your achievements, people are impressed by your natural abilities, and also people are impressed by the way you present yourself in general. People are impressed by that. The hermit card, a lot of you could be like loners in personal life, like introverts or rather ambiverts, or you prefer your own time. Like, you prefer to spend way more time in meditation and in quiet contemplation, in your thinking, in the realms of thoughts and ideas, if that makes sense. You like to spend a lot of time in the realms of ideas and thoughts. You could tell me that, you know what, no, I'm a scientist, so, but what I'm seeing is you guys could be scientists to techies to a lawyer to a doctor, like anything in a technical field, but you guys have a very strong spiritual life, a very rich inner world. You guys definitely love to spend a lot of spices can be seen. Like, spend a lot of time, like you guys are space cadets. A lot of you are space cadets. And that is very impressive. People are impressed. You are a very independent person, somebody who can be judged by others, who get judged a lot, but People realize that they cannot stop you from doing, for being the way you are. You are a very, very impressive person, very impressive persona. That's something I can see. Hierophant, yeah, you are also a very wise, disciplined, somebody who has grown within their current situation. They have seen the ups and downs of life, and they have grown in their situation. That kind of a person. All right, guys, if you like my content, then please hit the like button, share, and subscribe. Guys, your support would mean the world to me. So if you like my content, please support my channel. You are also a person who is very fair and just. Like, you always tend to stand up whenever you feel that there is something unjust happening. Also, people are impressed. Like, a lot of you could be activists, like animal right, climate right, the war going on everywhere. A lot of people are volunteering there. You could be one of those people who accumulate the money and food and try to send it over to those places, to those people who are suffering famine, a lot of the floods happening. You could be one of those people who take active part in this situation. You try to do your best, and people are really, you have a very strong social angle. Social duties are a must for you. Also, what I'm seeing is you guys are, a lot of you are lawyers, advocates, and paralegals, lawyers, and advocates for sure. Six of Cups, you are somebody who is, you are a person who is very good with kids and small animals. I'm seeing a lot of you tend to foster a lot of animals, like loads of cats and stray dogs and stray cats. You guys tend to foster. That is something I can see. That's because I'm seeing, like, you guys deeply feel about them, and people like, you could be also working with such foster cares. Also, even with small kids, people feel you'll make a fantastic parent if you are one. If you are not a parent, you could make a fantastic uncle or aunt. Maybe a lot of you probably volunteer at foster walks as well. King of Wands, yeah, a lot of, what I'm seeing, you guys have worked hard to reach a position of power. You have a lot of control, a lot of power, but you do not misuse them. You use them to uplift someone else's life. You use them to deliver justice to someone else. You use the resources and power that you have to do something good to the best of your abilities and not misuse it. And that is very impressive about you. Yeah, you are also very desirable, extremely. Also, a lot of you could be pretty quiet people, not very talkative until and unless you get to talk about things that really matter to you, that you are very passionate about. That's the time when the real talkative you comes out of the background. And you are also, people find you very, very attractive. Eight of Swords, you have been through a phase where you felt stuck, totally blinded. You don't know what to do, where to go, and stuff like that. You didn't know how to survive. Nine of Wands, like, for you, life became so difficult. Like, every day became a chore. Living each and every single day became a chore. Very difficult. Five of Cups, you are a person, yeah, like, you have literally felt like all the doors have closed on your face. You didn't know what to do, where to go, and you are literally carrying your own cross every single day. Your life almost felt like a burden. From there, you know what, there was one window, one door that opened, and that has given you the life that you are living today. And people are really impressed by the fact that you guys managed to survive through such difficult circumstances. You said goodbye to a lot of nuisance, a lot of emotionally draining situations. A lot of you probably had to say goodbye. You went through immense emotional pain. Seven of Cups, you guys are fantastic at manifestation. You guys are fantastic. This is a confirmation, double confirmation actually, that you guys are fantastic manifestors. You are also extremely stubborn, and you know how to, you're not a pushover. You could come across as somebody who is pretty gentle, especially with kids and animals, but you are not a pushover. You know how to stand your ground. Eight of Wands, you are a person who is extremely feisty, extremely determined. When you know what your goal is, you can be extremely stubborn. You know how to stand your ground as well. You, you know, people are, I'm seeing you guys are hitting one milestone after the other, and people around you are stunned because they didn't expect you to reach a lot of milestones that you have been hitting. It could be finishing your graduation, your masters, your PhD, starting a new company, or excelling at your work, getting married, getting, like, having kids. It can be anything. Like, you guys are hitting milestones in life. The Emperor, you are a person who has seen a lot of ups and downs in life, and life has shown you the ups and downs. Life has taught you a lot of lessons, and today you are a young person with a wise soul. You are also seen as somebody who is very stable and reliable as a long term partner, as a business partner. People are impressed by how stable, reliable, how dependable you have turned yourself into. You are like a ray of light, as I said, in the sea of darkness. A lot of you tend to attract a lot of, you know, those souls who are in difficulty. You tend to attract a lot of them. You have a lot of leadership qualities about you, loads of leadership qualities. The age of light, you are somebody who has, like, you have the age, like, you have that ray of light about you. Follow the voice of your soul. You are a person who has literally followed the voice of their soul. You have literally followed the voice of your soul. You are somebody who is a very transparent person. You speak your mind and you are not scared to do so. Rattlesnake, the experiences that you are presently going through are an initiation into fulfilling your purpose as a healer. Yes, and a healer is an, wow, I love these interconnected messages. You have been through, life has put you through a lot of challenges, loads of pain, especially from so-called near and dear ones, but that transformed you into a person. A lot of you could also be counselors, career counselors, marriage counselors, to psychologists, to therapists, because you guys are spiritual healing, or doctors, nurses, naturopaths, because you have been through the pain yourself, and now you're trying to heal others. Surround yourself with protective energy. Like, people are impressed, like, you know, you are one of those people who are always surrounded by their angels. You are always surrounded by those people. You guys are always surrounded by those people who are in the angelic realm. Trust your instinct, your instincts. Yeah, as I said, your intuitions, your instincts are very strong. Your intuitions and your instincts are very strong. You are an extremely determined and dedicated person towards your work, towards the people whom you care about. You are a very determined, dedicated, generous kind of a person. Unlock the magic within. You are a person who is, like, you have a lot of magical qualities about you, for sure. I'm seeing you guys have a lot of magical qualities about you. Honeybee, let compassion and forgiveness be your top priority. Yeah, honeybee, first of all, you are a very busy person. You are a very productive person. Also, you are known, people are impressed by the amount of empathy and compassion that you bring on table. Get grounded. You are a very highly sensitive, empathetic person. You're a very grounded person. You guys are deeply connected to nature as well. Have faith in your dreams. You are a person who has a lot of faith in their dreams. You have a lot of faith in making, you have a lot of, you know, you aspire to make your dreams, to turn your dreams into reality. Expect a powerful change. You are a person who literally you guys have the power to manifest something really beautiful, really great, like you have come a long way in life already, but people are impressed and people think that you are meant to for bigger things, meant to manifest bigger things in your life. You're also very self-reflective, you're very humble. Don't, okay, right, I love this interview, guys. Don't let pride get into your way. Leos can be significant. You are very humble and self-reflecting in spite of being a successful person. In spite of, you guys have achieved success. We all have success as per our own levels, and you guys have achieved the success. You have come a long way. Things you have achieved which nobody expected from you. And but you have never let pride take that place. You have still stayed extremely self-reflective and humble. Kiwi, do a walking meditation each day for the next week. You guys, a lot of you are very much into meditation, and life in quiet contemplation, life in like a private life, life with your close friends and not partying is probably, most of you, is the life that you look forward to. All right, Flower, be honest with yourself. You are a very honest person. You have the guts to very quietly, in a nice and gentle manner, you can put forth your truth. You are not a person who would be a rebel, but you quietly put forth your opinions and you put down your foot very quietly, very gracefully. There is a certain amount of grace in things that you do. You never needed those wings to fly. Yeah, people are impressed by how good, empathetic, and compassionate a human being you are. That is the most important quality about you. All right, guys, I hope you had some clarity over your situation. If yes, guys, please hit the like button, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Namaste. Hello, hello, pile 2. Let's see what makes you so impressive. Clearly, the first one is the Queen of Wands. You give off a boss vibe. There is a boss vibe about you. You know what? You are a person who is extremely persevering, very capable, very successful. You give off the vibes of success. That's clearly, I can see that you are somebody who give off the vibes of success. You are successful, you do not give up easily, you're persuasive, you're confident. A lot of you are business owners, we are self-made. You are extremely feisty, very driven, very passionate about your work. You are very focused and passionate when it comes to your work. Your work is your first priority, it's your worship. For you, it is your worship. That's how I'm seeing it. Like, people are impressed by the amount of passion, drive, dedication that you bring to your work. You are very passionate and dedicated regarding your work. You are like, people also find your aura to be very, like, you are a very bright, charming persona, very impressive personality, very impressive personality. That is another thing that people notice about you and people find it impressive. People also find you to be very successful. People try to emulate you in order to reach the heights of success that you have been able to reach. Yes, you have turned your life around. See, from here to here, you have turned your life around. Your world, you have turned your world around. Your world has been turned around completely. You have turned your world around with your own hard work, dedication, determination. Today there is, I'm seeing you have upgraded. You have gone several notches higher up with your own hard work, with your own, like, your own dedication, your own consistency, own hard work. You guys have gone up in life. You are also extremely competitive, very, very competitive, extremely determined, competitive, driven, focused. Yeah, I mean, when it comes to your work, you leave no stone unturned. Like, you could be working against, you could be fighting against your own siblings. Like, say, for example, for a tender in business that happens, probably the person opposite to you is your own sibling, but still, you will not give them any leeway. That kind of focus and competitive nature I'm seeing, and people are impressed. All right. The Eight of Swords. Okay. The Six of Swords. Okay. All right. With that world card, with this Eight and Six of Swords, typically I'm seeing there was a time, especially in work, I'm seeing, or also in personal life, like you tend to embody a lot of masculine energy. There is a lot of masculine energies about you, even if you identify as a female. But there has been a time when you felt totally like giving up, totally in despair, crying in despair, not knowing what to do, where to go, whom to trust. You have been there. You have been in that situation. You have been through the choppy seas, the difficult seas. You had to sail through the difficult seas, dire circumstances. Yeah, I mean, I can see that you guys went through those difficulties, like difficult sea situation, and all the situations where like you felt dejected, you felt like giving up, but you didn't. You kept on working harder. You felt like a caged bird. See, with this Seven of Swords, you were a caged bird. You are a person who has the drive, the determination, the willpower to stay focused at work. And also, what is impressive is you pulled yourself out of a lot of you felt trapped. You know, probably a bad job situation, probably a bad family or a relationship situation where you felt trapped. You felt like you won't be able to ever get to a normal life. From there, you guys have pulled yourself up. Yeah, people are impressed by the courage and strength. See, she's so courageous that a bear is her pet. Likewise, you are a very courageous person, very strong, courageous, determined kind of a person. You are also the architect of your own destiny. Three of Pentacles, you are literally the architect of your own destiny. You have literally carved out your own destiny. Carving your own destiny out is something that you have done. You have created a better and a more prosperous life for your own self. That's what I'm seeing. You know, the King of Swords, you are a person who is like this. King of Swords typically is a person who is mm, you have always been intellectually blessed individual, somebody being a very sharp focused mind. A lot of you are coming from a very humble background, and with your own intellectual abilities, it could be like a lot of you could be into technology, or the latest ones like AI, chat GPT, machine learning, or a techie or an IT person, or from the STEM subjects, or maybe finances, or could be things like very like cutting edge and bleeding edge technologies are your forte. You are very ahead of your times, and you have used, or you could be also very street smart. You have used your IQ to go up the ladder. You have climbed the ladder of success with your own hard work, passion, and determination. And today you have reached a position where people tend to look up to you. Five of Wands, you are a very, very stable person. Extremely stable, determined, diligent, focused, very stable and reliable kind of a person. Very, very stable, extremely stable person. Very stable persona, and people are impressed. Like during the times of emergency, when people are rattled, they don't know what to do, where to go, you are one of those go-to people who can handle any emergency with ease. You are a person who is also very courageous, extremely courageous, very, very courageous and focused. You are a person, you know, you have the guts to face anything. You have that guts to face anything. That is a thing I'm seeing. Like, you are somebody who had guts and focus to face anything in life. You have faced a lot, you have taken them on your chin, you haven't let them, like, you have been affected, but you didn't let it affect you to such an extent that you will, like, become, like, really, like, you didn't let yourself affect it, like, let it affect you in a very bad manner, but it did affect you, but you moved on from there. You learned your lessons and moved ahead in life. You are also okay. The strength card twice. You are, people are impressed by your strength, the emotion. A lot of you could be athletic, like practicing athletes, or into like running and gymming and being a gym rat. All those things can be seen for some of you, but most of you, I'm seeing you guys are emotionally very strong. Somebody, life can punch you for the nth time, and you will get up and start moving towards your next goal. That kind of a focus, that kind of persuasion I'm seeing. Two of Wands, you are a person who have come a long, long way in life. You guys have come a very long way in life. Yeah, extremely long way in life. You guys have really managed to, you have managed, like, a lot of you actually came to a different continent, a different country, a different continent for your work and settled there. Some of you have actually emotionally come a long way. You started from a very humble beginning. From there, you have reached a higher position. And you guys constantly tend to push yourself out of your comfort zone to reach the position that you're at today. So these are the things that really are impressive about you. All right, guys, if you like my content, please hit the like button, share, and subscribe. Your support means the world to me. Really, guys, if you like my content, please, please, please hit the subscribe button and like and subscribe button both. Thank you. All right. Yeah, you are very good at making money. People are impressed. Like, a lot of you can literally make money out of thin air. You are so skilled. Like, even without much of a skill, there are so many people who know how to go viral on YouTube, right? Like, there are so many kids actually who have the hacks to go viral on YouTube. They literally, I am so impressed, and they are so impressive, right? Like, you are also very good at making money, and people are impressed by the skills that you bring on table. Track down your fears and desires. You are somebody who is not scared to face their fears. You guys have faced your fears. Once you face your fears, you know what? We feel more invincible, way more courageous. Nothing can stop us now. That attitude, yeah, I can face anything in life, has helped you a lot. You have transformed. Transformation has been a key element in your life as well. Warrior, be fearless and stand strong. You are a warrior, like a person, somebody who is extremely fearless, very focused, somebody who had the guts to face the world. She wolf, unleash the wild within. You are a person who has managed to unleash the, like, you know what? You are a lone wolf who does not really create like nuisance with others unnecessarily. But somebody, like, literally rubbing you the wrong way, you could be the wrongest person. Like, you could literally rip them apart. You have that intense energy. It's this intense energy about you which really impresses a lot of people. A time for healing. You guys have literally, I'm seeing a lot of you have been through some real rough waters, and you have healed yourself from there. You have healed yourself, like, out of that, and have made a life out of it. Take some time to breathe out. Literally, you know what? You are a workaholic person. You just work. You can work round the clock, and you tend to work round the clock as well, which, like, you have impeccable work ethics. You are ill, but you have said to somebody that I'll be there at that time, or I'll do that work within that time frame. You just do it. That kind of a mindset I can see. Yeah, Falcon, act on the opportunity that's before you and commit to it without equivocation. You are like this Falcon who, like, once you set your focus on something, you just achieve it. You are, a lot of people will call you an opportunistic person. The thing is, you're very good at identifying the opportunities and you work on them. You target them. When once you find a gap in the market, you have used that skill. It's a natural skill that you have, and you have used it to your advantage very successfully. Believe in the impossible. You are a person, like, you believed in your own abilities and when no one else was willing to believe in you. So I'm seeing you guys have really made a success out of your life very successfully because you had strong faith in your own abilities. Gorilla, take the time to listen compassionately to those you love, especially your family members. Also, what is impressive is people find it like, in spite of being so successful, you always tend to treat your family exceptionally well. You always tend to have that time, that extra time for your family. Hold your vision. People find you to be a visionary. You are very ambitious. You are always running towards the next goal. But you also have enough time to give to your family. They are impressing you, maybe with your kids, with your parents, with your spouse. They are impressed. You are also, you have a very clear vision regarding where you want to see yourself 2 years, 5 years, 10 years from now, and that is very impressive. Even during your difficult times, you remind yourself of all that. That helps you to stay motivated. You are, a lot of you could be doctors, nurses, related to the pharmacies, dentists, related to the medicine industry, to the medical industry in general, or could be a naturopath or homeopath, in the same field, actually similar field. Also could be a spiritual teacher or a spiritual healer or a spiritual guru. You are good enough, Virgo. I'm seeing you guys are truly good enough. You guys are actually more than good enough. Sun, enjoy success and happiness. You guys are enjoying some massive amount of success. That's what I'm seeing. Massive amount of success. And you guys, like, you can tell me that no, I need to go a longer way. I get it. Pile 2, I get it. But you have come a long way as well, where you started. Most of you are starting from a very humble beginning with no help whatsoever, but you guys made it really big in life. The energy is gaining momentum. You guys have gained a lot of momentum. Like, you guys are going to make it really big. Like, people are impressed by the amount of effort and the amount of journey that you have traveled already, and the amount of enthusiasm even now you display for more. Actually, expectations don't seek anyone else's approval. Literally, you have turned yourself into a person who does not care what others would say, think, and do. Let them go. You have learned the art of letting go at last. Things and situations and relationships that are not serving you we should be able to let them go, because if something is no longer serving you, probably it's no longer meant for you as well. It's better and wiser to let it go, and that is something that you have started practicing. That is something people have become. Okay, endings are inevitable. Letting go and learning to end the difficult circumstances, it's a sign of maturity. It is a sign of maturity and not selfishness, and people are impressed by the quiet maturity that you bring on table. Remember to practice self-love. You guys have learned to practice self-love at last, Phoenix. You guys literally rose from the ashes. You literally rose from a place where no one else thought you could make it, but you guys did. And that is something that is very impressive about you. All right, guys, I hope you have had some clarity over your situation. If yes, guys, please hit the like button, share and subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel if you like my content. That motivates me so much. Thank you. Namaste. Hello, pile 3. Let's see what makes you so impressive. Clearly, the first one is the Queen of Swords. You are a very decisive person. You are very intimidating as a persona. You can see right through people's facades. So, con artists and manipulators tend to stay the heck away from you. That is a confirmation that they tend to try and stay the heck away. They know that, oh my goodness, we can't deal with this person's vibes. They are so high vibrational, they can see right through our nonsense and BS. So you are extremely intimidating, and that makes you very impressive. And some people hate you, people can hate you, people can like you, but they cannot, for God's sake, they cannot ignore you. That's the most impressive part. You are extremely, like, you get the attention that is your due attention wherever you go. The Page of Swords, you are a person who is very driven and focused about their work, extremely driven and very focused about their work. You are also very headstrong. If you put your mind to something, if you are sure about your goals, you can go to any extent to achieve it. And people really admire these qualities. You're very driven right from the start, right from your younger age. You have been very passionate about your, like, you, if you believe in something, you stand for it. You're very passionate about your belief system. Like, you're one of those people who would just put their head down and do all the work that is necessary if they feel this is the right thing for them. You're also a little bit, maybe on the shadow side, a little bit belligerent, a little bit competitive at times, because you're too passionate and you get into squabbles, or, like, differences happen in your case. But still, the passion, the energy, the enthusiasm that you bring on table is incredible. You guys are very driven and focused about your work. Six of Wands, you are a person who is very ambitious. You are, it's your ambition. Even when things are not going your way, your ambition shines through then also. That is one thing that people notice, that this is a person who is so ambitious about their goals, that they can literally go to any extent. Like, it can be like burning your midnight oil and it won't really matter to you, because you know that that is the right thing for you to do. So you would rather burn your midnight oil rather than sitting and complaining. Yeah, you are not one of those people who would speak, sit, complain, cry, creep. Rather, you would get down and start doing the work what you feel is right for you to do. You have literally elevated yourself, your position in life. For you, work is your salvation. You bring a lot of love in your work situation. You love what you do a lot, and people are really motivated. Your work ethics is, as I said, impeccable work ethics. Like, whenever people talk about you, they talk about the ambition that you have, they talk about the impeccable work ethics that you have, that you bring on table. You are very good at making money. In the money related aspects, you guys are so good. I can see that you are one of those people who are fantastic at making money. Very good. Like, you guys, a lot of you have had a very humble background, and you have seen, some of you have seen some extreme situations in money. So for you, you realize the importance of money from a very early age. It helped you mature, grow faster, because you knew that you had to make the money that you could never think of having as a child. All right, guys, up until now, if you like my content, please hit the like button, share, and subscribe. Guys, your support means the world to me, literally. So if you guys at all like my content, then please subscribe and show me your support. I would really appreciate that. Thank you. Two of Pentacles. You guys are very good at juggling multiple tasks. A lot of you have a family, you have a conventional day job, then you have your hobbies or side hustles, or maybe some of you have converted your hobbies to side hustle. Those kind of examples. Like, you know what, probably you are very good at crocheting, just saying. You have transformed it into a small business of yours. So after your job, after taking care of your family, doing everything that are needful, you also try to do your best for your for the side business that you have, and you generate enough income. You have started, I'm seeing, like, you guys literally you had to grind a lot, especially the initial aspect of your life, and that has given you an idea about the market. You guys didn't succeed all at once, and people find it very impressive that this is a person who had to go through those steps, one step at a time, to reach wherever they have today. Wheel of Fortune, you guys have transformed. You have literally turned the wheels of your destiny in your favor. You have literally turned the wheels of fortune in your favor. Wheels of fate into wheels of fortune. They have turned in your favor. It's because of your own hard work, your determination, your passion, and people are really impressed. It's very impressive. All right. So there has been a time in your life, this is what I was saying. You felt totally drained, very helpless. A lot of you as kids have faced a lot of financial trouble because probably your parents parents face some financial debacle, and you were at such an age that you could do almost nothing. You felt that helplessness. From then onwards, it actually stayed stuck with you that, you know what, I got to do something which will help me and my parents. Like, I don't want to be in that position ever. Like, you have literally felt like totally stuck. A lot of you have faced some foster care situations. You know, guys, if you felt attracted towards pile 2, then you could go back to pile 2 and watch as well. Like, seriously, I'm seeing that you guys are, like, you have been through some real hellish situation. Oh god, the tower moments, absolutely. Like, a lot of you lost your home as a child. That's why probably you had to stay in shelter homes. A lot of you have been through, like, had to stay with your grandparents because your parents were not there. They were, like, some of you lost them. They passed on to the other side, other realm, and so you had to stay with your grandparents. The thing, situation was not bad, but situations were not the way they should be. Like, you literally felt like, I'm feeling that, you know, you're gulping down tears and doing the knitfuls. That kind of a scenario for a lot of you, and that's the exact vibes, guys, I'm getting. Like, literally the rug being pulled from beneath you, and you are unable to do anything, feeling totally helpless and restless and desperate to do something but unable to do. But you guys learned. Yeah, money. For money, a lot of you have literally faced, your parents probably faced bankruptcy, or maybe you guys in relationship situation, you guys felt so much of tragedy, both emotionally and financially, that you had to go through so much of financial trouble. Like, literally this couple does not have enough, like, to provide for both of them, like a rug for each. They don't have that. So you have been through that, not having the, like, the basic necessities, not being able to provide for the basic necessities of life. That kind of a scenario I can see. Yeah, and that made you very strong, extremely responsible. You guys became so responsible. You guys became one of those people who are so responsible. You became responsible for your own self. You became responsible. Maybe you had younger siblings, and since your parents couldn't look after them all the time, you had to grow up and take care of your younger siblings. That could also be a possibility. And you had to grow up. Yeah, you grew up pretty fast. Develop better sense of finance, develop better sense of better reality check in general. That's what I'm saying. You guys grew up into a much stable individual, because you have seen so much of instability in general that nothing touches you that way anymore. You became, like, you grew so wiser Today, you are such a wise person that people older to you tend to come to you for your life lessons and suggestions from you. That's what I'm getting. People are impressed. Like you are being seen as somebody who is a very stable person, who can make, who either has a very stable family situation, you handle your family situation everything on your own, and in a very you're very adept at that as well. You handle your family, your kids really well. Either that, or the impression is this person would make a very stable yet caring family person. A lot of those people are impressed by the skills that you bring on table. You are also very thrifty. You're very good. Your financial acumen is very much on point. A lot of people will call you stingy, but I'm seeing a thrifty person because they have endured and seen so much in life that they don't want to lose out on any of those. You guys have faced a lot in life, so it taught you the importance of having money because you didn't have it at once. So today, wherever you are, it's because of your hard work. Like you have built the fortress brick by brick. The fortress is it's an analogy for the life that you have built. You have built it with one brick at a time, putting in one brick in place at a time. The world card, your world, you guys have literally changed. You guys have upgraded the world that you live in. I'm seeing an upgradation, a promotion, very much deserved, a much deserved promotion and upgradation in your lifestyle. And that is happening because you guys have put in so much of effort, so much of work, and your work is showing now. You guys have really leveled up. You guys, your life has gone a notch or two higher. That's what I'm seeing. Two of Cups. You are a person, you are a person, I'm seeing like you are somebody who is like a very good arm candy. A lot of people, if you are single, if you're available, even if you are not, by the way, yeah, this is what I'm hearing. Even if they are not, a lot of people still have crushes on them because of the way they present themselves, the way you take care of your family. A lot of people would love to be your soulmate. A lot of people would love to be your partner. And you are a terrific arm candy as well. Shapeshifter, transform and unveil your gifts. Literally, you guys have transformed your own life with your own hard work, determination, and motivation. You guys have transformed that. Shift your perception. Shift your perception. Your perception has shifted. Like people, the way, you know what? Moment we change, everybody around us is we pushed out, right? You guys, your mindset has changed. You moment you started getting more and more success, those people who used to judge you, who would probably not take you that seriously, have now changed their position. Their idea about you has also changed. Direction, guardian, choose your path. You guys are literally walking on your chosen path. Be brave and honest. You are a person who has been extremely brave and extremely honest. You are a person who is extremely brave, very honest, extremely focused. You have the guts to stand your ground and speak up. You have the guts to say that, you know what, this is it. I have a life of my own, and I am going to, if I believe in this, I have a belief system of my own. So I am going to stand up if I feel this is the right thing for me to. You're having that guts, that backbone. You're also very focused about your life. You know where you're headed towards, where you want, like in this many years I want to have this kind of wealth, this kind of house, this is the car I should be driving, this is where my kids should be going, like that kind of a time blocking factor you have already. You have a very clarity of mind. You have that clarity of mind that this is where you want to see yourself. You are standing your ground. You are not a pushover. If you feel strongly about something, you're very brave, you speak up, and people are impressed by this. Walk through your fears. Scorpio new moon. Scorpio can be significant for a lot of you. You guys have literally walked, you guys have faced your fears, you guys have worked through your fears. Like, once you face your fears, we become way more invincible, and that is exactly what has happened in your case as well. End of a tough cycle. Yeah, you guys have been through a lot, Capricorn. And yeah, I'm exactly getting a lot of Capricornian, very that mountain goat kind of vibes. You guys have literally pushed yourself, kicked yourself out of your comfort zone repeatedly, over and over and over, and have created a situation for yourself where that this is the right thing for me to do, and I am willing to, like, literally you have kicked yourself out of your comfort zone, and hence that has pushed you out of the tough cycle that you are in. Communication is key. Gemini can be significant for a lot of you. Oral, your like, the way in which you speak, a lot of you have the natural gift of the gab, and people notice that about you, that this is a person who is naturally gifted verbally. They can speak the truth. They know what their worth is, and communication is key. Sense of communication is extremely needed. The sense of communication, like, you understand the pulse of people. People love it because people are impressed, because you know exactly what to say, whom to say, where to say, when to say. You have those senses in place, like you understand the pulse of people really well. Yeah, you have the natural gift of the girl. A lot of you actually speak multiple languages as well. Bask in joy and light. You guys are literally basking in joy and light. You guys are going through the summers of your life, summers, and the literally glorification time of your life. Wolverine, you are a lot tougher than you think you are. Wolverine is significant. You are a very tough person. I mean, you don't give yourself that much credit, but people are impressed by the amount of toughness that you show. Bold, face your problems head on with confidence and courage, and you would emerge victorious. You are a person who has managed to face their fears, who usually tend to face their fears head on, and that has helped you go through difficult times. Let yourself stand out and be noticed. Peacock is significant for a lot of you. Like, I'm seeing you are like a peacock, in the sense that peacock, like, it's an analogy, and you tend to stand out without even trying. People also are impressed by the confidence. People feel that this is a person who always had confidence in them, and that is something that has helped them sell through difficult times. Of course, traveler, moving in a new direction. Absolutely, a lot of you guys are actually into adventure. You guys are thrill seekers, and that is very impressive. Maybe some of you are into some adventure sports as well, and that is something that is like very impressive about you. People find storm, every hurricane comes to an end. Like, literally, you have endured a lot of storms in life, and you have realized that everything comes to an end, both good and bad times, and that is something that has helped you sell through the difficult times as well. I'm getting surrounding yourself with love. You are a very private person. People are very intimidated and very much, like, they don't get to know you in person much, and that is something very impressive. You're in this today's hyper connected world, your personal life is private. You want your privacy, you want others to respect that as well. All right, guys, I hope you have had some clarity over your situation. If yes, guys, please hit the like button, share and subscribe. Thank you. Namaste.